Alright, so with just this plan from Instantly.ai, you can send more than 500,000 emails to over 100,000 people. Yes, you had me right. Now listen friends, if you want to see more review on amazing softwares like Instantly, quickly subscribe now to join us as we explore more top email marketing tools for your business. Now this video will walk you through everything you need to know to access Instantly.ai and how to use this cold email software to send thousands of cold emails very fast. And apart from this, I will share with you some of its hidden features no one is talking about. Now let's sign up on Instantly.ai. Once you are here on the website, all you need to do is to input your necessary information and proceed. From here onwards, you have your dashboard where you can access all of Instantly.ai cold email features even for free. Now firstly guys, let me show you how to add your sending account, and you can add as many sending account as possible. So click here right now, then choose which type of account you would love to add up as your sending account. Will you want to make use of the done for you email setup from Instantly.ai, or you would love to connect your existing accounts like Google, Office 365, or a custom SMTP account? So all you have to do right now is to choose the best one that would work for you. So Instantly.ai gives you the ability to choose which one will be the best for you and for your business. So once you've done that, to start sending thousands of emails to our email lists. To start sending your thousands of emails, all you have to do right now is to click on campaign. Then you want to give your campaign a name, which of course is very important. Afterwards, you can directly add your email list from here, and I prefer this method. So choose what method will be preferred in importing your email list. So you have many options for you here for you to go ahead and choose which of the method you are going to be making use of in importing your email list into Instantly.ai. So Instantly.ai provides you with multiple options to import your email list from CSV to Google Sheet. So you have multiple ways to import your email list. Now, are you done with importing? Now, once you are done with importing, this is where you'd have to write your email message from the subject to the body, and doing that brings you to the schedule tab where you can choose when your email should be sent to your email list. So once you've been able to write your email copies, the next thing you have to do is to schedule when you want your emails to go live. And this option is what I love about Instantly.ai. You have the option to choose the days, the time you want those email campaigns to go live. Now the option tab right here is where you have more helpful campaign options to help you with your campaigns being successfully sent with no additional cost to you. So make sure to go through all of these options right here and select which one will most preferred by you. So this is an amazing walkthrough for the campaign setup on Instantly.ai. So you can immediately start to track your campaigns from the analytics tab provided by this tool. So from open rates to click rates to reply rates and earning opportunities, everything you need to know is right here, and you can keep track of it. Now, I want you to keep this a secret, friends. Do you know with Instantly.ai Lead Finder, you can find leads of your choice, and not just that, you can connect with them right from here and keep record of their contact information and other information you might be interested in. What a powerful tool this is. So if you are happy with all of these things I've said, please make sure to smash the like button of this video. And now I want to expose you to the pricing plans that can help you get the best out of Instantly.ai. So with the enterprise plan right here, you have the power of sending more than 500 emails with more and more amazing features. So with this pricing plan right here, you can send more than 500,000 emails to over 100,000 people, all right, without being restricted. So the light speed plan here costing you is going to cost you $286.3, where you have those to send not more than 500,000 emails per month, and some other great features available for you to use. Then you can see we have the hyper growth here costing you $77.6, and the cheapest plan here, which is the growth plan, costing you $30 per month with only 1,000 contact list uploads. So that is the restriction you have on the cheapest plan right here. You don't have the ability to have more than 1,000 100,000 contact lists uploaded. Now let's go over to the pros and cons of Instantly no one is ever talking about. Now Instantly.ai is scalable, so works for both solopreneurs and large teams. Secondly, Instantly.ai has a data-driven insight. Analytics dashboard is detailed but easy to understand. Thirdly, you have regular and constant update on Instantly.ai. So what they do is that they listen to your feedbacks and they constantly improve the tool. Now, what are the cons of Instantly.ai? Number one is that the learning curve for teams is really high. So if your team is used to traditional tools, the switch to Instantly.ai might take some training for them to be able to understand. And secondly is that Instantly.ai has mobile app limitations. The mobile version lacks some advanced features available on your desktop. So here are the honest reviews and the testimonies from users of Instantly.ai. Alright guys, so if you're happy with this video and you've been able to learn one thing or the other about Instantly.ai, make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and tell me if Instantly.ai is the perfect tool you're going to be making use of for your business in this year. Bye, and I'll see you in my other video.